Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're exploring the 7 best Blackview rugged smartphones. Known for their durability and reliability, Blackview phones are perfect for anyone who needs a device that can handle the toughest environments. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, work in demanding conditions, or just want a phone that's built to last, Blackview has a rugged smartphone for you. These devices offer military-grade durability, long-lasting battery life, advanced cameras, and features like water and dust resistance. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 7 Blackview rugged smartphones, focusing on durability, performance, features, and value. Links to all the featured phones are conveniently provided in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's find the perfect rugged companion for your lifestyle with these top picks. Number 7. Blackview N6000. The Blackview N6000 rugged smartphone is a compact yet durable device designed for those who lead an adventurous lifestyle. With its 4.3-inch display and lightweight design, weighing only 208 grams, it offers ease of use and portability. Featuring a 3,880 mAh solid-state battery, it provides up to 18 days of standby time and can withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. The Corning Gorilla Glass 5 ensures durability, while its IP68 and IP69K rating makes it waterproof and dustproof, allowing it to be submerged underwater for up to 15 meters. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor and up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, it delivers excellent performance for multitasking and gaming. The device also boasts a 48 megapixels rear camera, with Samsung ISOCELL GM2 sensor for capturing clear and vibrant photos, along with features like Pro Mode and Beauty Mode for enhanced photography. With NFC support, fingerprint and face unlock features, and dual 4G VoLTE connectivity, the Blackview N6000 offers versatility and convenience for users on the go. Number 6. Blackview BV6200 Pro. The Blackview BV6200 Pro rugged smartphone is a powerhouse designed for those who demand durability and performance in their devices. Boasting a 3-watt super loud box speaker with SmartK technology, it delivers exceptional sound quality in any environment. With a massive 13,000 mAh mega battery and 18-watt fast charging, you can rely on extended usage without worrying about running out of power. Featuring ArcSoft imaging technology, the BV6200 Pro ensures stunning image quality for capturing memorable moments. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, it meets MIL STD 810H, IP68, and IP69K standards, making it resistant to water, dust, and shocks. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or working in rugged environments, this ruggedized cell phone is up to the task, delivering reliability and performance when you need it most. Number 5. Blackview BV9300 Pro. The Blackview BV9300 Pro is a rugged smartphone designed to withstand the toughest conditions while offering an impressive range of features for outdoor enthusiasts. With a massive 15,080 mAh battery, it provides up to 76 days of standby, ensuring you're always ready for your next adventure. The phone features a power-efficient 6.7-inch FHD Plus main display, complemented by a unique 1.3-inch round secondary screen, which offers quick access to key functions like the compass, battery level, and music controls, all while conserving power. Its MIL STD 810H certification and IP68/IP69K waterproof rating guarantee durability against drops, dust, and water exposure. Under the hood, the BV9300 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with up to 24 gigabytes of RAM, including expandable memory, ensuring smooth performance for gaming, photography, and multitasking. The 64 megapixels rear camera, enhanced with ArcSoft 8.0 algorithms, captures stunning photos in all lighting conditions, while the 32 megapixels front camera delivers crystal clear selfies. With 33-watt fast charging, it takes just 71 minutes to recharge to 50%. The BV9300 Pro is built for those who demand both strength and functionality, offering a rugged yet stylish design that combines cutting-edge technology with long-lasting endurance. Whether you're hiking, working, or simply on the go, this smartphone is up for any challenge. Number 4. Blackview BL9000. The Blackview BL9000 rugged smartphone offers a groundbreaking dual-screen experience coupled with luxurious design and top-tier durability. With its innovative dual-screen layout and opulent leather-textured back, The BL9000 redefines elegance and functionality. Boasting a 50 megapixels dual-screen selfie camera and Harman Audio EFX speakers, it delivers exceptional audio-visual experiences. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor and featuring 12 GB RAM with expandable storage, it ensures smooth performance for multitasking and gaming. Its 8,800 mAh mega battery with 120-watt superfast charging provides long-lasting power and quick recharges, while its MIL STD810H and IP68/IP69K ratings guarantee resilience against water, dust, and shocks. With DockOS 4.0 based on Android 13, NFC, dual SIM slots, and a comprehensive navigation system, the BL9000 offers seamless operations and connectivity. Whether you're capturing stunning selfies, enjoying immersive entertainment, or tackling rugged adventures, the BL9000 is your ultimate companion, blending style, innovation, and ruggedness for an unparalleled smartphone experience. Number 3. Blackview BL8000. The Blackview BL8000 Rugged Smartphone is a flagship device designed to stand out in both style and performance. With its luxury design, it merges artistry and durability seamlessly, offering a visually striking device that feels great in the hand. Featuring a dual-screen setup, it introduces innovative functionality, with a secondary screen on the rear providing quick access to essential functions like checking the time, weather updates, and notifications, all without needing to flip the phone over. The primary 6.78-inch 2.4K FHD Plus display delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors and sharp contrasts, while a 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth interactions, whether gaming or browsing. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, it offers blazing fast performance and seamless multitasking, complemented by 12 GB of RAM and a spacious 512 GB of storage. The device excels in photography with its 50 megapixels main camera and 16 megapixels selfie camera, capturing every moment with exceptional clarity and detail. Its ruggedness is unmatched, boasting MIL STD810H certification, IP68 and IP69K ratings, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, ensuring durability in harsh environments. Additionally, it offers advanced features like dual 5G connectivity, integrated cooling system, and a massive 8,800 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging, ensuring you stay connected and powered throughout the day. With upgrades in privacy, personalization, and convenience, including a secure workspace app, real-time subtitles, and smart QR scanning, the Blackview BL8000 provides a user-centric experience tailored to modern lifestyles. Whether conquering the urban jungle or exploring the great outdoors, this rugged smartphone is ready for any adventure. Number 2. Blackview BL9000 Pro. The Blackview BL9000 Pro is a rugged smartphone designed for those who need durability and advanced technology in extreme environments. This Android 14 device features the latest FLIR Lepton 3.5 thermal imaging sensor and the MyFLIR Pro app, providing unprecedented thermal resolution for tasks like detecting leaks, monitoring temperatures, or locating objects in low visibility conditions. Its sturdy build, reinforced with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, ensures resilience against drops and rough handling. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chipset, delivering smooth performance and efficient multitasking with up to 36 GB of RAM via expansion. Its massive 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage allows users to store vast amounts of data without compromising speed. Entertainment is enhanced with dual Harman Kardon speakers, and the device supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, and USB 3.0 for seamless networking and file transfers. A 6.78-inch display offers vibrant visuals, while the 50 megapixels rear and selfie cameras with OIS provide sharp images and videos. The thermal imaging capabilities, combined with its rugged nature, make the BL9000 Pro ideal for professionals, adventurers, and anyone needing a reliable tool for challenging scenarios. Number 1. Blackview BV8100. The Blackview BV8100 is a rugged smartphone built to withstand the harshest environments while delivering exceptional performance. Its robust design meets IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD810H standards, making it resistant to water, dust, and shock. The phone is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Helio G99 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance for work or play. The 6.5-inch FHD Plus display, with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 1080x1080, and a 120Hz refresh rate, offers sharp visuals and a smooth viewing experience, perfect for streaming or gaming. Equipped with an 8,800 mAh battery and 45-watt super-fast charging, the BV8100 ensures you stay connected throughout the day, even with demanding use. Its camera system includes a 50-megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GN5 sensor for stunning photos, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide and macro lens for versatile photography, and a 32-megapixel front camera for high-quality selfies. Storage is plentiful, with 256 gigabytes of internal memory expandable up to 1 terabyte via a TF card, and RAM can be boosted from 8 gigabytes to 16 gigabytes for enhanced performance. Features like NFC, glove mode, and comprehensive navigation support, including GPS, Beidou, GLONASS, and Galileo, make it ideal for outdoor adventurers. Its Android 14-based Dock OS 4.0 brings a sleek user interface, while its dual hybrid SIM slots and wide network compatibility ensure seamless connectivity in diverse regions. Whether you're trekking mountains or navigating urban jungles, the Blackview BV8100 is ready to meet your needs. So that's it for the best Blackview rugged smartphones of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.